are the key features of the glazed tile solar mounting system manufactured by Senji New Energy. The system is applicable on any kind of glazed tile roof and is a perfect solution for mounting of your on or off-grid household solar PV power station. We can make any types and kinds of hooks, choosing the best solution for your particular situation and making sure it's fixed securely and tightly on your roof to resist strong winds of up to 144 kmh and large snowfall of up to 120 kg per m2. The rails we are using in our systems are made from durable but light 6005 anodized aluminium alloy in T5 temper. Other systems parts we make from stainless steel, applying galvanization to protect them from rust or corrosion. Robust construction and durable materials we use in our mounting systems ensure a 25-year lifespan, and we also provide a 15-year warranty. For any queries and requirements, we offer a 24-hour email and telephone support in which we meet your needs in the most respectable and professional manner. We will choose the best international forwarder, making sure the documents are cleared well in time, and any questions you may have during the time of shipment or constructions will be solved quickly and efficiently. Every system produced by us is issued with a detailed, professional guide for assembly. We also make customized systems, every part of which will be made to perfectly fit requirements of your project. Payments we accept are TT, LC, and so on. A sample can be expressed to you by air, followed by your batch order, which we usually ship in 20, 40 GP or 40 HQ containers by sea. We can keep the shortest delivery time for our customers, and we're proud to say our company has passed ISO 9001 certification. Our products are popular all around the world, from Japan, Korea, Austria, Vietnam, Malaysia and Philippines, to Brazil, Saudi Arabia, South Africa, and multiple other countries. Our company is a dedicated and experienced solar mounting systems manufacturer, supplying professional solutions with a competitive price to meet all your needs.